What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders? We out here again. We're gonna be got one in for the Ryker doctor. We're gonna be putting some LED lights on. We're gonna bust half this kit down right here. Put it here. We're gonna do the headlights. See what we can do. See if we can light some of it up. This is a motorcycle kit, but we're gonna try to put it on the Ryker. Okay, so what we did here, we'll use clear LED tapes to stick the LEDs facing down so we can get the glow effect in the headlight. So that's a tip and a trick for you. Clear 3M tape. So we just put two under here, and now we're going to attach two more under here to light up the bottom. Then we're going to put some back here. But under here I just use zip ties to hold them up. A couple of zip ties will hold them down. Alright, so I removed this panel. Well, I just unclipped it with two pins, plastic rivets, so I can access a place to hide all these wires. So basically we're running all this. It's a lot of wires because this is a motorcycle setup and not a sling mod setup. So we're gonna just tighten up the wires and put them on this area here. So this is gonna be a real easy install. Then we'll work on the front. Okay, here's the ballast hooked up to the battery. It's the new battery with the 4 connections, which is easy. This controls the remote and the lights. Then that all runs up into here, and this is what a motorcycle LED kit connects to a Can Am Ryker. Yeah. Got the glow going on in there. The glow underneath.
Swing on.
Swing on.
You got this.
Yeah. Oh, it's got the pink. Got the headlights glowing. And alright, so this is what the headlights are gonna look like in reverse. We reverse, so that's what you're gonna have. Purple, green, we could change the look of the headlight. Light blue, red, green. And that's the one we use with the 3M tape. So here, so we did underneath, right here, up in there. Looks like it's coming off a little bit. So that don't pop out. And under glow, under here at night, it's gonna look crazy. Let's see if I could change the colors on that. Okay. Blue, green, purple. Over here, I gotta fix that one. Alright, everybody, is done. That's how you hook a motorcycle LED kit up to a Can Am Ryker. Follow me for more.